dugsiga boardingka iyo maalinlaha ah ee Amano Boarding and Day School.
Good morning, children. Today morning we have our English lesson, and we have a new topic that is commonly known to us, and we always use it in our countings. We always use it in everything that we do that's surrounding us. Now today's English lesson, it is nothing much, but we are just going to look at number and color. Number and color. In numbers and colors, we are going to look at different types of colors, how they look like, and how we spell the colors. We are saying different types of colors, how they look like, how we spell the colors, and finally we shall be able to count those colors, those objects in their various colors, and writing the numbers properly in number form. Now, to begin our lesson, let us straight away go to what we have as our work today, and we have some objects up there, counting objects and their numbers. We have got some objects here that are placed in different colors, and remember, children, today we are looking at counting numbers and in their color form, in their color form. Now we have some objects here which are, in which color are we looking at? We are looking at color green. This one is color green, and we have several objects there on color green, or we have several pictures there on color green. And how many pictures are they? We are going to count the number of pictures and be able to write the number object. We are going to count the number of pictures and then be able to write the objects are how many in this picture. Okay, then we also have another color which is color orange. In this color orange, we are also going to count the objects in color orange, which are in color orange, and then be able to write their numbers down. Then we also have to look at the objects down here. They're in different colors, but though we'll be able to count how many are they, and we be able to write them down. Now let us begin. Quickly, let me get to my pen. Now we have the green. The green color has got how many objects there? It has got several objects, and how many objects are color green? So we shall count. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we are going to write how many objects or how many pictures are in the first color green. We are going to write 7 here. Okay, then we come to counting number objects, and we have the second picture, which is the picture of which color? The color is orange there, and we want to count how many objects are in this picture. So let us go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are how many pictures in color orange? In color orange objects, there are also 7. And down here we have things like balls there. So how many how many pictures are maybe are of color red? Color red, we have 1. Color white, we have 1. Color black, we have 1. Now, what are we doing today for our lesson? We are just learning about counting objects in number form. And when you're writing the numbers, we are learning how to write numbers in words. Children, you're learning how to write numbers in words. So for example, the first picture has got how many pictures? It has 7 pictures. And how do we spell number 7? How do we spell number 7? Number 7 is S E V The word is 7, or the number is 7. And commonly we have the same number objects for the second picture, so we're not gonna spell there. But how do we spell number 1? We spell number 1 like O-N-E. Number 1 is O-N-E. That is number 1. So let us go to let us go to our next picture objects. Okay, now looking at our pictures here, we have got which color object? We have got color object purple. We have our color object which is purple there, and we have our color objects again which is pink. We have a color object which is pink, and we have a color object which is black. We also have our color object which is black. Now quickly let us go to finding out how many objects are in which color purple. How many objects represent color purple? In color purple, we are going to count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So everything is commonly 7. Let's see. Okay. How many pictures are in color black? How many pictures are in color black? We only have one picture. There we have number 1. How many pictures are represented in color pink? How many pictures are there in color pink? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We also have 7. So we are having a common number of pictures which are in purple and pink, and purple and pink has got the same number pictures which is 7. And again we have said if we want to know how to spell 7, we will spell it like S-E-V-E-N. And how many pictures are represented in color black? In color black we have only one picture, so that one picture we spell it like O-N-E. Let's move on. Now our next colors are going to be color blue, color white, and color orange. I say again, we have our next object pictures are in color blue and color white and color orange. So how many objects are represented in these pictures? Let us find out. Picture number 1, which is blue in color, has got how many numbers? Let us go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the number picture objects in color blue are 6. What about color white? The number object pictures in color white are how many? Let us go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have number 5. Now, what about color orange? The number pictures in color orange are how many? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are 6. The rest are, I think, red and white. So we are only counting the number pictures represented in color orange only. So we will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we shall write 6 for our answer. Now, how do we spell the number 6? How do we spell number 6? Number 6 is spelled like S-I-X. Again, I repeat, children, it is S-I-X. So we have 6 here, we have 6 here. We're not going to spell it again. Then we have 5. 5 is represented by the number pictures in white. So how do we spell 5? F-I-V-E. Again, I repeat, number 5 is F-I-V-E. So that is how we spell number 5. Let us move on. Now we have our next color, which is yellow, color yellow, and then we have color brown, and then lastly we have color red there. So let us look at the number pictures represented in color yellow. How many number pictures are represented in color yellow? Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we have number 20. We have color pictures represented in color yellow. They are 20. We shall write 20. Then number pictures represented in color brown. How many are they? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we have 14. Number pictures is 14. Then we have color red. How many number pictures are represented in color red? We have several of them, so let us count slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Our number there is 20. 22. So how do we spell number 22 or 20 or 14? How do we spell them? Let's start with the color picture represented in color yellow. They are 20. So how do we spell 20? T-W-E-N-T-Y. Then how do we spell the number pictures represented in red? They are 22. So we spell 22 together. T-W-E-N-T-Y. And then number 2, T-W-O. That should give us 22 red objects. Then we have the brown objects in color brown. Pictures are F14, 14 of them. So we spell 14 F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. F-O-U R-T-E-E-N. So that's how we spell the numbers in their various objects. Then so I think we have now, what are we learning today, children? We are learning about we were learning today about different types of colors, and they had some objects. And we are also learning another idea, or another topic was different objects and their numbers. Different objects and their numbers, and also different colors. So we have learned two different items today, or two different topics today, which is color and the number. We have learned about the color and the number. So what are the colors that we have learned today? We have learned color green, color red, color purple, color pink, color brown, color black, color white, color blue, color yellow, and lastly we have seen color brown there, though I had already said color brown already. So remember, these are different colors that we meet in our daily lives, or we use them, or we see them everywhere we go. And it is best that we also know how to spell them. You should be able to know what they look like and how you can be able to spell them. Apart from that, if you're also looking at objects in different colors, you should be able to count the number of objects and be able to write the numbers well, and also be able to write the spelling of the colors well. Well, children, this is the end of our lesson today, and I do wish you the best as you stay at home, and remember to keep safe all the time.